Back here at Hobby Lobby, trying to figure out what kind of filament they have and testing out my DJI Osmo Nano with the DJI Mic 3. Never really done this out in public before, so we'll see what happens. But I'm really looking forward to the silver and silk. Let's see what kind of selection they do have. That might be the corner. Look at that, they're almost sold out of everything. We have purple, blue, gray, silver. That's the one I'm looking for. $17.99. Got some reusable spools, still $3.49. A deburring tool. Some Destillant, some CLA glue. No price point. Let's try out some of this. BLACKPINK marble wood. Get a couple of those PLA silvers. Got yellow, got orange. Pink looks interesting. I'm gonna pass on that one since I have the other pink. No more rainbow. Let's get some blue.
Getting a bunch new.
When?
Hopefully in the next week or two they will be out. Like different ones, newer ones.
Yeah, because I keep seeing the, I got the rainbow last week and everything, so.
Yes, Tuesday I ordered a bunch. And then, but we're getting new ones. They're not the PLA, they're the,
Silk.
you would probably know
Yeah.
more than me, yes.
But you said Tuesdays when you're gonna put them out?
Well, Tuesday is when I get my truck. The newer ones maybe later on in the week.
Okay.
Okay, and then also check, yeah, because I think the rainbow ones, I ordered double on those because
Well, you're always out of white and black.
warehouse has been out, that's why.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
feel free to do a rain check though, and then it would be held back for you once the warehouse gets it in and gets it shipped to me.
How many can I do a rain check for? I'm just asking because I usually buy about 40.
There's not a limit, is there? No.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Because she's our rain check lady, so yeah. I mean, that's what I would
I've been coming in
suggest
every
doing.
Saturday, so.
Yeah.
If you can, I would come in Tuesday night. That's when I get my shipments.
Okay.
Just to throw that out there.
Yeah, because I'm buying like $100 of this a week now when I can get it. I'm switching over to it now from my other filaments.
Because it says it wants me to hold one.
Uh-huh.
I try and order 4 to 6
Okay.
of each color. And
Yeah.
Tuesdays, this is how, because I did have this is how empty it gets
Yeah.
by the time. So
Yeah, I know.
as soon as it comes out Tuesday night, it's Tuesday or Wednesday.
Okay.
So there
Well,
is that marble right
I already
there.
got the marble. I have not
Okay.
used it. I'm looking more for the white black, and then you have the silks that are coming out. That like the
Yes, and then is there a T one?
I got.
I can't.
I'm gonna go on your website, but yeah, it was one of those things where I'm just getting because whenever I do the prints with it, they're turning out pretty nice. Like I like the reds, the black is really phenomenal. It's actually like bamboo almost.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so to the point of like the quality, and I'm not having any problems with any of my prints. The only one I haven't liked so much was the rainbow because it comes out weird at the very beginning, where it's more yellowy instead of like rainbowy.
Oh, okay, okay.
But yeah, but definitely, I'm gonna probably stop in here Tuesday night, and you guys close at like 8 or 9, don't you?
8 o'clock. I put them. I don't get done sorting through my stuff until probably 3 or 4.
Okay.
But I mean, I have people come in and I'll show them what I have because I put it in a separate cart for
Okay.
people because they do come in right on at Tuesdays.
Tuesday. Okay, I'll make sure to go on your website and see what the product number is to get the rain checks for the ones I want.
Yes, that's the best. Yeah. But
should
yeah,
be able
you
to
can try.
look it up front, shouldn't they?
Yes, and they can look
so
it
they
up
can
up
do it
front.
when you check out today.
But
Okay.
I
Just
know,
let
I
them
think
know.
I got black in. It was last week or the week before. Someone came and picked it up like immediately
It's
that
fast,
day.
yeah.
So it's just best to do a rain check
Rain
for
check
as
that way.
fast as the stuff is
We'll
going
hold it
because
for you.
Okay.
We just
Cool.
take it to the back.
like these are all new too. That's coming with the stuff, like a thermometer and 3D. I don't know what that is. It just says 3D printing, but
Yeah, because like, I like the
Something.
deburring tools. Those are really nice to use. I use for all my prints. Yeah. Well, thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Well, that was a nice conversation with them. So go to Hobby Lobbies on Tuesday in Fort Wayne, Indiana, if you would like to have 3D printing materials. And you can do rain checks also. Very cool. But yeah, I'm heading out to the checkout line. But everybody, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.